Story 24. A weak fisherman caught a strong fish in his net, and not being able to retain it, the fish overcame him and pulled the net from his hand. A boy went to bring water from the torrent. The torrent came and took the boy away. The net brought the fish every time. The net brought every time a fish. This time the fish went and carried off the net. The other fishermen were sorry and blamed him for not being able to retain such a fish which had fallen into his net. He replied, "Oh, brothers, what can be done? My day was not lucky, but the fish had yet one remaining." Moral: a fisherman cannot catch a fish in the Tigris without a day of luck, and a fish cannot die on dry ground without the decree of fate. And that's why you always invoke the will of God when you do stuff, because you don't know, right? You don't know what is going to be the case with these things. You think your plan's perfect and you're going to get what you want as a result of your plan, or what you need as a result of your plan, and